What's going on, you guys? It's your boy J. Cole here, bringing you guys another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a whole bunch of packages. I'm not sure if you guys can see them all, but they're right here. Over 25 packages that I've been saving up. I'm going to be unboxing them today. Stay tuned. All the shirts, hoodies, shoes, and much more are all going to be going up for sale on my page at Graded Garments, linked above here and down below in the description. Make sure you check it out if you see anything you like. Alright guys, let's get started. We'll start off with this one on top. Surprisingly, a lot more boxes than actual like small packages today, so let's see if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Alright. One of the tees that I have in my personal collection, same size and color and everything. We got the Nas photo tee, hope you guys can see it good. The Nas photo tee in black XL. Let's see the condition. This thing's barely got no cracking actually. XL, black, this is perfect. Give you guys a closer look at that. Looks so nice. Let's get going into a box. All right, back-to-back black XL photo tees, I guess. It's just the move today. We got the Buju Banton, not everyone's favorite, but still a dope one. Photo tee, black XL. Perfect condition once again. Honestly, this might be a personal, but we'll see. Back graphics, super dope in this one too. All right, this thing, you guys can't tell, but this thing weighs like 10 to 15 pounds. This thing's got some serious weight to it. No, not that heavy, but it's really heavy for a freaking small box like this. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got a little bundle deal going. It's all fucking shoved in here. Let's see. All right, first off, we got this little blue S logo hoodie. Size large, I believe this one was. Pretty dope piece, good condition. Next off in this bundle, we got a size medium bandana box logo tee in yellow. I love this colorway, super dope. And lastly, the big heater, we have the bandana box logo hoodie in a size XL black. The black XL is taking over today, boys, I'm telling you. Look at this thing. Insanely clean. Next up, oh my guys, I'm telling you, this box is freaking 10 pounds. This thing is so heavy. This is heavier than the last one. People doing these, oh my god, look at this thing. It's like bursting at the seams right here. This thing has so much shirts in it. All right, this is obviously a big bundle deal, so let's get started here. All right, so first off, make sure all these are legit too. We got the Persistence of Memory tee, I think, with the clocks. Definitely a dope piece. I love this natural colorway. All right, we're gonna keep going because we got like a ton. So we got this. I don't even know the name of this shirt, to be honest. Did it say it on there? Hard Goods. This is a Supreme Hard Goods tee. Another dope one. And I think this is like the Clouds top or something. This thing's heavy duty, pretty nice. I don't really like the tops, but this is a cool one. Oh, okay. I forgot we got this. There's a beanie in here. This tie-dye beanie from, I think, last season or 2 seasons ago. Pretty dope. We're not even halfway done with this package yet. We got so much more in here. We got the Camo Knots tee. Not a big fan of the camo, but it's pretty dope. Ooh, we got a heater, guys. Banner tee in the natural colorway, so clean. Wow. Another heater, guys. Let me make sure this one's legit, because this one gets faked often. Yep, legit. We got the Supreme JPG tee. Love this one. This one's so nice and white. Next up, we got the Dynamite tee in white. All these are size large, by the way, in this bundle. 2 more to show. We got the Supreme Reaper tee. Little spell out on the back, too. Really nice graphic on this one. I actually want one of these for my personal collection in XL, but we'll see when we get one. This one's went up in price like crazy. The Supreme Shop tee, light purple color, super clean. That's the end of that bundle, all right? Moving on to the next package here. Another little bundle, small bundle, not a big bundle this time. We only do the big bundles a little bit. So we got the Cause Uniqlo Sesame Street shirt. And also we have the Supreme Creeper tee. Both white, both medium. All right, we'll run into another box right now. Let's see what we got. Oh my, I wanted to see this to the end, guys. No. Oh man, I gotta open it though. Don't click off the video after this one, because it's gonna be clickbait as hell with the title and the, oh my gosh. We have the Holy Supreme Grail right here, you guys. We have the Supreme 2008 wine box logo hoodie. Not to be confused with the burgundy one. This is the wine color. It's like a very, very, very dark purple. This thing is insanely clean in person. This is like 9.5 out of 10 condition. Moving on, we have, why do we have so many heaters, guys? Supreme Kate Moss Photo Tee in gray, size large, a little bit cracked up, but still clean. Nothing on the back. Still good condition for what it is. Good personal for sure. Gonna be going up for really cheap, so stay tuned. All right, moving on to another big boy box. This is a weird box, what the heck? I have no idea what the hell's going on with this box, to be honest with you. Oh, I know what these are. I know what these are. These are gonna be going up for a crazy steal, you guys. I got these for such a good price, so you already know I'm gonna bless you guys as well. We got the Supreme Air Forces in black, size 9. Really, really dope shoe. Just a clean little Supreme on the side. I gotta make sure these are real after the video because it takes me a little longer with shoes, but these are nice in person, you know? I don't really like the black Forces, but these are clean. Great condition too. Next up, another easy one to open, thank God. We got the Supreme Gucci Mane Photo Tee, Navy XL, not Black XL this time. Back graphic looking super nice. Love this one. Next up, let's see what we got in here. All right, I know you guys see that face I'm making. If you guys have bought from Supreme, which I assume if you're watching this video you have, you know, like, the bag ain't this flimsy. This thing feels like it's made of like Ziploc material. This thing is very flimsy. Inside we have, oh yeah, oh boy, we got a fake Supreme CDG box logo tee. This thing is not even close to being real. This thing is terrible. This thing feels like it was made on like cardboard. It's just like shit. This is a garbage ass shirt, guys. But yeah, nonetheless, someone sent me a fake. Gotta love that. You gotta love when they put real pictures and then they send me a fake ass shirt. That's just how it is, you know? It's just garbage. All right. Well, we'll figure out what to do with this one. Comment down below if you're watching. Comment down below. What am I doing with this shirt? What should I do with it? Most voted comment will do. Next up, come on, you better redeem after that shitty ass fake. And we do. We got a redemption here. What's in the box? We got a box logo sticker here. And we have the Supreme Navy bandana box logo hoodie. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hoodie. Size large, by the way. All right, next up, we're burning through these packages, guys. We're almost getting done. I mean, honestly, I got a lot of stuff to do today, so let's get this done. Oh, hell yeah. We got the Supreme Fall Winter 17 or something like that. Maybe, no, I think SS 17. Repeat reflective backpack in black. This thing is sweet. Great condition too. This really hits in black. I have the same backpack in white for the personal and it's like turned brown now, so I might have to switch out, but I don't know. We'll probably get this one for sale for you guys, but it's still a dope backpack nonetheless. All right, moving on. All right, what is in here? Looks like we have a personal, you guys. You know, I don't keep personals too often, but I've been waiting. I'm so excited to rock these guys. We have this, or not Supreme. See, I'm so used to saying Supreme. We got the Cactus Plant Flea Market Nike collab track pants. Hopefully you guys can see them in the camera good. They have the belt built into them. Such a clean pair of pants. These things are so nice, guys. Straight to the personal, no questions asked. If I ever sell them though, but probably not, I'm keeping these. These things are sweet. An easy one to open, that's always a good time. We have an absolute banger. Supreme Mercedes-Benz tee, graffiti Mercedes-Benz tee. This thing is so nice and gray with the blue. Condition-wise, it has a couple little marks, but nothing crazy. This thing's beautiful. All right, moving on to this one. This one is from Supreme. So I think I know what this one is, judging by the way it feels. I think this is from the Yoji collab. I'm gonna let you guys see first. I'm not gonna look. That's if I can open it. This thing's fucking tight. Alright, what do we got here? Close my eyes. What do we got here? Was I right? Can't even tell. Oh yeah, I was right. We got the Supreme Yoji rose sweater here. This thing is so nice in person, you guys. I love this thing. If this is my size, it would be straight to the personal. But I purposely didn't cop my size because I know that if I had this in my size, I would not be selling it, and I want to bless you guys. So there we go. Got a sticker pack as well. That's dope to see. They got stickers from this collab. That's dope. We got a couple Supreme orders, but we'll save. Oh, we'll do one right now, but we'll save the rest for the end because we have so many of them. I wish these things weren't such a pain in the ass to open. There we go. So, just 2 plain stickers. Oh, they got the register to vote ones. There we go. Better than nothing. Nope. Alright, we got another Yoji collab. We have the t-shirt, the logo t-shirt in black XL. Essential piece from this collab. This one might actually be from Supreme as well. It looks like the box, but it might not be. We'll see. So we have... Oh, no, it's not. Okay, it's not. This is actually from eBay, I believe. I threw in some gems. Anything else for me? No? Alright, so shout out to whoever you are. Oh, these boxes are getting terrible if I throw them all over here. Okay. Shout out to whoever you are. Threw in gloves and 2 of these register to vote stickers too. And the COVID box logo tee, XL. Beautiful, beautiful shirt. Legit, of course. Bag ripped open, but still brand new. All right, we'll move on to a big box. It's so funny because this is like the biggest box in the entire video, but I swear to you, this thing weighs like nothing. So I don't know what the hell's in here. This thing literally weighs like less than that big box, or that small box. This thing weighs nothing, so what the hell's in here? Wow. Shout out to this dude for shipping a t-shirt in a box the size of 4 pairs of shoes. So this man shipped his Brooklyn box logo tee. As you can see, size medium, good condition, just a little bit of cracking. Yeah, he shipped this in a massive box. I mean, I don't understand. What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of people shipping shirts and hoodies and like these massive like boxes that could fit 10 pairs? Like, I don't understand people, I really don't. Nonetheless, getting into another box. Oh, sweet. Alright, this one might be personal, but I'm not sure yet. Alright, so we got the Supreme North Face metallic hoodie. I love this piece so much. I used to have the tee, but I sold it. Yeah, so I don't know about this one. This thing fits a little short on me. This thing fits like a crop top, but still a dope hoodie. I might keep it. This dude kind of smells like ass. I'm not gonna lie. This thing's gonna have to go in the wash. Y'all, if you're rocking Supreme, please take a shower. Alright, going on to the next box. Hopefully not another butthole box. And we have the brand new S logo Gore-Tex 6-panel in the light purple. This thing is sweet. Let's go dope with that shop tee. Alright, get into another Supreme package because we have so many still. I think this one's another Yoji one if I'm correct, but I could be wrong. Alright, onto another box. Guys, this is probably next to the wine box logo hoodie. This thing's a grail, an older grail from Supreme. I'm excited, guys. We have the Supreme Thrasher work jacket. Look at this thing. This thing is insane, guys. All these spell outs all over in this blue color. Like, I think this is the best color by far, but let me know what you guys think. There's a brown and a black one too, but this blue one hits. Such a dope jacket. I wish this was my size, but gotta be blessing you guys. All right, pair of shoes next. I think this is the second pair of shoes in this video. We need the knife for this one. We have a pair of Dunks. You guys can see this pink box. So I assume this is a pair of Dunks. Pretty sure I know what these are. Tight little fit in that box, but we got these beautiful Nike Dunk Tiffany's. These are the newer ones. Love those laces on them. Wow, these are clean. And these swooshes are actually removable, so if you want to have it with like that color swoosh, you can remove it. Really dope pair. Here's the other shoe. This one had the black laces on it. Really, really clean pair. Honestly, I love these Dunks. I want a pair of these now. These are clean. Alright guys, only 3 more packages left. We're coming down to the last ones. We burned through these quick, you guys, but That's because we're having a good time out here. Let's see, we got Akira, nice. Little front spell out. Akira pill tee on the back. This thing's not faded at all, but it's super cracked, so this is a great personal tee because these go for crazy amounts of money, so this will be a nice steal for you guys. All right, last two packages. This one already got opened. I didn't realize, I guess, I don't know. I don't remember opening this one. Yeah, I don't think I ever opened this. This is just got gloves, sticker pack. This is a week 1 order. I know I never opened this, so I'm very confused. But nonetheless, we got 3 shirts in here. We have the Supreme Lovers tee in black small. We have the Supreme multi-logo tee in black XL. And we have the Supreme Stay Positive tee in natural small. All right, last package. I don't know if we saved the best for last because I have no idea what the hell's in here, but we'll have to see. But guys, I wish this was my size. I'm so upset right now. I can't even believe this isn't my size. Right here, guys, we have an absolute whole, I don't even know, this thing is a furry fucking, oh my gosh. We have the Supreme JPG faux fur coat with that on the inside. Oh my god, this thing is a medium. This thing, look at this thing looks like it fit me. I'm gonna try it on for y'all's entertainment. We're gonna try on the size medium. Your boy's an XL on a good day. Your boy's out here like Macklemore, rocking the size medium coat. This is not right, guys. This thing, my arms feel like they're gonna like explode. But yeah, I want this thing in a larger XL, so if you see one, hit me up. I need one for like cheap, like $300 or $400. I'd be very down to cop. I want this thing so bad. As you guys can see, this thing is fire though. Fortunately not my size, so I gotta take this bad boy off, but very, very nice jacket nonetheless. Still got the stock X tag and store tags on there too. All right, you guys, we just unboxed an insane amount of packages, over 25 packages total. Crazy amount of items, crazy amount of heat. As you guys saw, we had those dunks. We had a ton of box logo hoodies, box logo t-shirts, crazy stuff. I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what item you guys like the best out of everything I unboxed. Also, please do me a favor and make sure you follow @GradedGarments on Instagram. All this stuff that you saw here, except if it was personal, it's gonna be for sale for a steal. Gonna have a big story sale with all these items. All gonna be great prices. Make sure you tune in @GradedGarments on Instagram. Peace, you guys. Hope you have a great night, day, whatever time you're watching this. I hope it's good for you. Thank you all for supporting me. I appreciate it. Peace.